had an absolutely wonderful time on this excursion. It was the singer Keen V, whom I had the pleasure of meeting at work, who recommended Moorea Activities Center, and I'm so glad I booked with them. The captain and guide were fantastic, with fascinating explanations that enriched the entire experience. The encounter with the rays and dolphins was incredibly moving, a magical moment we'll never forget. We also had other amazing encounters, sharks, turtles, and saw magnificent fish. It was like an open-air aquarium. The snorkeling stops were at incredible spots, breathtakingly beautiful. An unforgettable experience from beginning to end. Thank you. Thank you to our aquatic guide Kevin and the boat captain Moorea, with whom we had an unforgettable time with the children. They provided us with a superb experience, blending Tahitian culture with marine life. We were incredibly lucky, seeing everything: dolphins at the beginning of the tour, nurse sharks, turtles, leopard rays, and finally, partner rays and black-tip reef sharks. Pure bliss. We came away with our eyes wide with wonder. I would recommend your website to anyone visiting Moorea. A huge thank you to all your wonderful staff. From the moment we arrived until we disembarked the boat. It was a fabulous day with our guide Kevin and Captain Mihai. Hearing the history of Moorea and then snorkeling amongst the coral, seeing turtles, sharks, stingrays and some very large fish near the fishing boat area. A huge shout out to the captain who hauled me onto the boat after each trip and stopped me tumbling back in. Very grateful for these strong arms. Last minute decision to book this tour and well worth it. Lucky enough there were only 5 of us on this trip, so didn't feel squashed on the boat. Once again thanks for a lovely day. Very charismatic and knowledgeable tour guide Kevin took us on a wonderful adventure to see and swim with sea turtles, black-tipped sharks, and manta rays. Beautiful views and lots of information. Kevin also took time to check everyone's snorkeling abilities so we were able to explore according to our skills. Even the rain didn't spoil the day. If possible, bring your own equipment and don't forget the sunscreen or swim shirt. Our guides Kevin and Tama were knowledgeable, friendly and helpful. They knew all the places to go for the best chance of seeing various wildlife. We got to swim with turtles, black-tip sharks, stingrays and loads of beautiful fish in the coral garden. We came on a cruise and they picked us up straight from the dock and dropped us back at the end, making it very convenient. I would highly recommend this tour to everyone. Very well organized. Mahau, the captain, apologies if spelling incorrect, and Kevin, the guide, were both fabulous. Very informative and knowledgeable. Lots of different things to see and experience all packed into one morning. Extra special mention for Kevin for his patience and support for getting a very nervous swimmer into the water to see the wonders of what's beneath the surface. Highly recommended. Excellent experience. Mahau, the captain, apologies if spelling incorrect, and Kevin the guide, were so expert and knowledgeable. We learn lots about Polynesian sea life and culture, as well as seeing so much. Extra special mention for Kevin for his patience and understanding with a nervous swimmer getting her into the water to enable her to see the delights of what lies under the surface.